Welcome, my friends, to the riveting tale of Norm Abram and the new Yankee workshop. Picture this, a land where wood chips fly, sawdust dances in the air, and DIY dreams come to life. But alas, every journey has its end, and so did our beloved show. Now, gather round as we uncover the secrets behind the curtain, the mysteries that led to the grand finale of the show that stole our hearts. And who better to lead us through this woodworking wonderland than the maestro himself, Norm Abram. Norm, the carpenter extraordinaire. With his trusty hammer in hand and a twinkle in his eye, he charmed his way into our living rooms with every swing of the saw. But did you know, dear viewers, that Norm's journey began long before the cameras started rolling? Born into a lineage of woodworking wizards on October 3rd, 1949, in the good old USA, Norm inherited the passion for carpentry from his dear old dad. While other kids frolicked in the summer sun, young Norm was honing his skills alongside his father, crafting masterpieces while his peers played with toys. But wait, there's more. Despite his knack for nailing boards together, Norm's path took a detour through the realms of business administration. Yes, you heard that right. From crunching numbers to crafting wonders, Norm's journey was as unpredictable as a plank of wood in a storm. But fear not, for fate had grand plans for our hero. In 1979, the stars aligned and Norm found himself in the spotlight, courtesy of a TV producer named Russell Morash, and thus this old house became the cornerstone of Norm's illustrious career. But Norm wasn't content with just one show. Oh no, in 1989, he waved his magic wand, well, more like a chisel, and conjure up the new Yankee workshop, a haven for DIY enthusiasts and woodworking wizards alike. The show flourished, capturing the hearts of fans far and wide. But as they say, all good things must come to an end. On that fateful day in 2009, the final curtain fell, leaving fans bereft and bewildered. Why, you ask? Well, dear viewers, Norm had a revelation. After years of sawing and sanding, he yearned for a simpler life, one filled with families and fond memories, and thus he bid adieu to the workshop, leaving behind a legacy carved in oak and cherished in our hearts. But fear not, for the legacy lives on. Thanks to the wonders of technology, old episodes of the show found new life online, bringing joy to fans both young and old. And as for Norm himself, well, he may have stepped out of the limelight, but his spirit still lingers in every nail hammered and every board sawed. So here's to you, Norm Abram, the master craftsman, the DIY dynamo. May your days be filled with laughter, love, and plenty of sawdust. And to all our viewers out there, remember to keep dreaming, keep creating, and never stop building your own masterpiece.